GhostBSD comes with a pretty well configured workstation-based firewall out of the box. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make some changes. Right, so I'm just going to change shells because I prefer SH first. Right, first to check if your firewall is running, and it should be if you're running GhostBSD, sudo service IPFW status in the password, and it says IPFW is enabled, as I thought it might be. So to make any alterations, you're going to have to edit the rc.com file, which is located in your etc folder. Here it is. Kind of comes pretty configured out of the box from GhostBSD. I have made some changes at the bottom, but that's just for my system. Everything above the changes line is as it comes. So we go down, we find firewall, little section there. And as you can see, it says firewall _ enable equals yes. And that means it starts up when the system starts up. And firewall type is workstation. And this is the default in GhostBSD. And it protects only the local machine. Outbound traffic is mostly allowed. But inbound like SSH, etc. is blocked unless you open them yourself. And you know, that's pretty much all you need. You can change that if you want. So we go firewall _ type equals open. That means there's no restrictions and everything is open to pass through. I mean, that might be useful if you need to do that, but you know, I mean, perhaps it's not a wise idea. I'm just going to comment that off. I don't want that starting up by mistake. And we'll leave it on the workstation one. If you want to allow some services to get through to your machine without resorting to open, you can use firewall _ my services. And in this little section, you can put in what you would allow to reach your machine, and only that what you actually specify. And firewall allow services equals any. Means basically from anywhere out in the internet. So you want to allow 22/TCP, which is SSH, I think. And allow it to come in from the internet, from the wider network. We perhaps don't want to do that, so we'll just comment that off. But you can, if you want, to specify a little safer option maybe, would be trusted, which means basically a local network and not the wider internet. So if you put allow services equals trusted, and you put firewall _ trusted equals, and then you can put your own local LAN address. So any machines on your local network can access SSH if you want. Just comment these off because I don't want these starting by mistake again. So yeah, that's how you make a few changes. But you know, pretty much out of the box, the firewall setup in GhostBSD is probably all you need. And to restart the firewall service, if any changes have been made, you go sudo service IPFW restart. And we haven't made any changes, but we restarted it anyway. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Well done to GhostBSD for having a ready-to-go firewall. Excellent. Anyway, this is only a quick video. Hope you found it useful in some way. If you did, please consider liking. And if you do like a few of my videos, then consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, then hit that notification bell to let you know when a new video is released. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.